going to invite you to just settle in your seats, knowing that that seat was meant to always support you. You can close your outer hours to tune out any outer distractions. And let's begin the practice of going within so that we never go without. Focusing on your breath, just inhale and exhale, not judging the breath, but letting it just be. I'm going to invite you to give yourself permission that whatever may have been burdening your mind, your heart, your spirit, before you came into this space, give yourself permission to allow that to stay outside of this place that we call Unity Village Chapel. Give yourself permission for the next 60 minutes or so to not allow that to be a part of your thinking, your being. And perhaps at the end of this time together, you'll be ready to release it. It's that something that's no longer identifies who you are. It doesn't define you anymore. And if you're not ready for that, then to look at it different and let it not walk before you. Maybe you're not ready to walk beside it, but you don't walk behind it. So just take one deep cleansing breath. Release it. And today, our message is going to be about from the human to the divine. And we know it. We always know it. We have to remember to practice. I'm going to ask that we just go into the silence for just a moment. Let us return with the breath and exhale. Let's do that once more. Inhale and exhale. We want to be in a place of openness, and so we take this time to reconnect with our center, our being, the gift, the giver, the supply, the supplier, the omnipotence of God, the omniscience of God. To reconnect ourselves to the divine because we are divine. Knowing that when we're listening and hearing and seeing, as Jesus said, these things you shall do also. But we must be open for that to happen. All right. I invite you to come back to this space. Open your eyes. And we give thanks for this moment.